Right then, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Austin A40. There she is, look. Nice, bright looking example. Starts on the key, or on the button. Sounds just as it should sound. I just drove it through the building here and up onto here. And everything seems to do what it's supposed to do. It's not the best paint finish, a little bit of drama on that passenger front door there, but okay, it's acceptable. It's all right, it's a perfect user car. You won't be embarrassed on the show field, but don't expect to win the trophy. That's the thing. So, there you go, look. What an elegant old girl, isn't she? Lovely old car. From what must have been a lovely period of motoring. Waiting for a few extras. It's already got badge bar, spotlights, peaks on the headlights, look. Waiting for a sun visor. A few chips, bits and pieces been touched in, look. A bit there been almost polished through, look. Interior is nice. Seats are good, carpets are nice. Dashboard's lovely. 79 showing, 79,350. Headlining super. Look at that, just as you'd want to see it. Door cards, etc. Good. Little bit of wear, but good. There you are, in there, same again. She's lovely, look. Brilliant. Doors shut quite nicely. Oh, nice car cover. Spare sun visors and bits and pieces in there, look. That's it. Bright work again is good. There we are. Again, good in there, look, as you'd want to find it. So, there you go. There she is. There you go. Come along, have a closer look, see if it's one for you.